Welcome to another energetic news update from Certrec, your source for regulatory insights and energy industry developments. Iron Mountain's New Jersey data center is adding a 23 megawatt-hour battery energy storage system to complement its existing 7.2 megawatt rooftop solar installation. The project demonstrates how solar energy and battery storage can support both facility operations and the electric grid by providing greater flexibility during periods of peak electricity demand. The project combines on-site solar generation with battery energy storage to reduce peak demand, improve energy resilience, and support a more flexible and reliable power system as electricity demand continues to grow. Key benefits of this solar and battery storage system include reducing peak electricity demand through on-site solar and battery storage, supporting grid flexibility by shifting and managing energy use during periods of high demand, and improving energy resilience while helping integrate more renewable energy resources. As utilities and large energy users explore new ways to manage growing electricity demand, integrated solar and storage solutions demonstrate how distributed energy resources can help support greater flexibility and resilience. For more timely updates and analysis on energy trends and grid development, visit RegSource by Certrec. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to stay informed on the developments shaping America's energy future.